Hello and welcome. Today, we tell the story of Diogo Jota and his younger brother André Silva, two devoted footballers whose lives were tragically cut short on July 3, 2025. Let's honor their journey, bond, and legacy. Diogo José Teixeira de Silva, known as Diogo Jota, was born on December 4, 1996, in Massarelos, Porto, Portugal. From a young age, he showcased immense talent, entering Gondomar's youth academy before moving to Paços de Ferreira and beginning his senior career in 2014. He earned his break on loan at Porto, then cemented his reputation at Wolverhampton Wanderers. In September 2020, he joined Liverpool for a £41 million transfer, where he flourished 65 goals in 182 appearances and pivotal contributions to Premier League, FA Cup and League Cup victories. His international resume includes 49 caps and 14 goals for Portugal, with UEFA Nations League wins in 2019 and 2025. André Felipe Teixeira de Silva, born April 28, 2000, in Gondomar, was his younger brother. Also a footballer, he emerged through youth systems at Gondomar, Porto, Paços de Ferreira, Famalicão, and Boa Vista. In July 2023, he signed a 3-year deal with Penafiel in Liga Portugal 2, where he made 59 appearances and scored 6 goals over 2 seasons. Diogo and André shared more than genetics, they shared dreams. Growing up together in Porto, playing in the streets of Massarelos, both brothers nurtured a competitive yet loving bond. Though André flew a bit under the radar, he proudly stood by Diogo's side at his wedding in late June 2025, just 10 days before their lives were tragically lost. In the early hours of July 3, 2025, the pair were traveling in a Lamborghini Urus on Spain's A52 near Cernadilla in Zamora province. While overtaking another vehicle around 0:30, the car suffered a tire blowout, veered off the road, rolled, and caught fire. Emergency crews arrived to find both brothers had died instantly at the scene. Spanish authorities are investigating, with tire failure cited as the likely cause. Their passing devastated the global football community. Liverpool FC, Portugal's Prime Minister, the Portuguese FA, UEFA, and FIFA all issued profound tributes. Cristiano Ronaldo, Jurgen Klopp, and countless teammates shared heartfelt messages. A minute's silence was held at women's Euros matches, while fans laid flowers at Anfield and flags flew half-mast across Liverpool. Diogo's wife Ruth Cardoso and their 3 children, along with André's family, now grieve this unimaginable loss. Diogo and André were more than athletes, they were brothers, family men, and passionately committed to football. Though their time was cut tragically short, their legacy will endure in every goal, every memory, and every tribute left by fans worldwide. If this story moved you, please leave your tribute below, like and share the video, and subscribe for more heartfelt stories.